Hi guys, welcome to my channel Let's Play Princess. My name is Ula and my channel is all about nature inspired play and learning and stories. I love stories. And these are my special friends Anna and Elsa. They go with me everywhere and we do great adventures together. Let me show you a little bit about my channel and my workshop. Let me show you my workshop, guys. Over here we've got a few more dolls. Hello there, guys. And we've got my pine cones. I've decorated. I love decorating things from nature. And over here I've got my googly eyes and gemstones. And here is the Easter table. I love Easter and decorating everything for Easter. Can't wait to decorate loads and loads with that lot. Here we've got another two friends. Hello Henry. It's Henry the tiger and it's Emily. And they're looking after some other things I made. Emily's got some Easter eggs there. And Henry, hello there Henry, is looking after some dried pomegranate. Can you eat that? I don't think so. You like to eat meat, don't you? Yes. And over here in the corner, I'm doing a video about what different animals eat. And that's about it, guys, for my workshop. Thanks for visiting, guys. So good to meet you. Subscribe if you want to see more. And we're just off out on an adventure now. So have a great day. See you later.